It's been so long. Oh my gosh. So I've been flying with some head plays that was donated, lent to me by a local pilot. Thank you, Chuck. While the screen's very awesome, they are large and in charge. And I got really tired of wearing them on my face. So anyway, my Fat Sharks came today. They're back. I'm gonna get these in a better condition. But anyway, so I got my module, got my Fat Sharks back, got my new build. About to put some more packs through it. It's only my second session with it. I posted my maiden the other day, which I did at the skate park, real late at night or real early in the morning. You know, it's a half glass, half full type of thing there. But yeah, so I just got done at work. Work's done. I need to go pick up my kid. Before I go pick him up, I need to get some packs in.